Tanishka, you did your BCom,
Right.
right, from Modern College, Pune, and then you thought about going to Germany. So how all these things came in your mind and why Germany?
Okay, like first of all, Germany तो सबको जाना ही because no, उनका एजुकेशन सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है compared to not compared to but basically अच्छा ही है उनका एजुकेशन सिस्टम. Plus the level of education they are giving like world class है. And plus you've got job opportunities as well.
Right.
And most important like safety for girls.
True. ओके. एंड जब हम बात करते हैं ये पूरा जर्मन एप्लीकेशंस की प्रोसेस की, तो आपको क्या लगता है कितने टाइम पहले हमें ये सब शुरू करना चाहिए है और क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स हमें पहले से अरेंज करके रखने पड़ते हैं और क्या क्या आपने सर्च किया, पूरा प्रोसेस अगर आप एक्सप्लेन करें तो लोग गाइड हो सके कि क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं.
Thinking मुझे लगता है like एक ईयर like 1 year before like चालू होना चाहिए आपका पूरा प्रोसीजर बिकॉज इट टेक्स टाइम लॉट ऑफ
Right.
टाइम. तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स कलेक्ट करना, वेरीफाई करना, रेक्टिफाई करना एंड अगेन डॉक्यूमेंट्स कलेक्ट करना बहुत टाइम जाता है.
राइट.
राइट. तो मैंने पर्सनली 1 साल पहले पूरा सब करने को स्टार्ट किया था लाइक टू गेट द डॉक्यूमेंट्स, द रिसर्च, what university I wanted, plus what was the eligibility, the criteria for me. तो
Right.
पूरा प्रोसीजर takes a lot of time.
अभी हम लोग एक और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पे बात करते हैं बिकॉज जब हम आपका पूरा प्रोसेस कर रहे थे ये समर इनटेक का, तो सबसे बड़ा चेंज जो आया प्रोसेस में दैट वाज कॉन्सुलेट सर्विस पोर्टल फॉर योर वीजा, राइट. इसके पहले वेटिंग लिस्ट बहुत ज्यादा होता था एंड 17th of Feb को ये पोर्टल लॉन्च हुआ एंड 18th of Feb को हमने आपका एप्लीकेशन सबमिट किया था. तो टेक्निकली यू वर इनटू अ फर्स्ट बैच जो कि एम्बेसी गई थी इस प्रोसेस के अंडर. सो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट इट, कितना चेंज हुआ है और कितना बेटर हुआ है?
Okay. Frankly speaking, I was scared. Like बीच में you launch a portal and you don't know what you have to do. That's why I contacted you. I called you like रात में बात हो रही थी अपने कि what have to do. But हुआ यूँ कि once I got the application, एक बार हम लोग ने application कर दिया and once we get to start the updates कि हाँ बस चल रहा है, you're going on the right path, I was like very relieved. And उसके बाद the whole procedure was very smooth. Like all you have to do is wait, submit your documents, wait for the result, and they were pretty fast with their responses regarding anything in the document they needed, they didn't need. And after that, I just got my slot. I gave the appointment, and here I am with my visa.
How much time it took at VFS?
During the appointment day?
Yes.
Okay, that wasn't a good experience. मुझे 11:15 का slot था and I was there 10 or 10:30. I was there like an hour ago.
Early.
Right. And I was waiting there and they told me that before me there are few students and the whole procedure will take time. उन्होंने पहले बोल के रखा था and I was like time मतलब क्या 1 घंटा 2 घंटा. I did not expect it to be 3 hours. But I sat there, I waited for my appointment. The good thing was they got the documents ready themselves. मैंने जो documents लेके गई थी उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं थी because they had the slot ready with them. So it went good.
Okay. And once you got your visa in 5 days, when you picked up that courier, what was your reaction? And did you expected that visa in 5 days?
No, never. I was like just chilling at my house. My aunt was over and मैं just जा रही थी phone पे scroll कर रही थी and then I get a call like okay hello like हाँ मैम आपका visa आ गया, तुमसे visa आला like या तुम्ही गेला like कुठे घराखाली आला like what मैं भाग के गया like oh चलो visa आ गया finally. And then I called you, I called my mom, I called my dad, send you all the photocopies of my visa. Like, happy.
Right, because that was a very smoothest process and it was very surprising.
Very unexpected.
Although they have just launched the portal and you're getting your visa in 5 days, right? Okay, so now you are going for an international management program. Lot of things happen. जब हम इंडिया में बात करते हैं मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम में एडमिशन लेने की, there is lot of competition कि भाई हमें SAT देना है, हमें CET देना है and other entrance examinations CAT वगैरह देना है. but जब हम abroad की बात करते हैं तो process is very different, right? So do you think it's worth it to go abroad and study a management program या इंडिया में करना चाहिए? आप गए थे ये डुअल माइंड में कि इंडिया में करूँ या अब्रॉड में करूँ?
नो, मुझे पहले से पता था कि मुझे अब्रॉड जाना है फॉर माय मास्टर्स, बिकॉज आई हैव
Okay.
सीन इंडिया में मास्टर्स कैसे होता है, ऑन व्हाट बेसिस दे डू देयर मास्टर्स, राइट?
Uh,
एंड अब्रॉड में सीन इज completely different.
hmm.
You don't have to give tons of exams and everything. Your merit matters the most.
Right,
आपका merit अच्छा है, you know the language, you've got the admission. That's it.
right, good. So very clear cut process,
Very
right?
very clear.
एंड few people say that कि जब हम यूनिवर्सिटी में जाते हैं एनरोलमेंट लेते हैं तो देर आर मॉड्यूल्स व्हाट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट व्हाट यू वांट टू स्टडी इलेक्टिव एंड कंपल्सरी,
Right.
राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक दिस will give an extra edge to your career globally, or do you think the Indian system where the syllabus has been decided and you will study that only, which one you felt better?
Obviously the international one, because I am not forced into studying the same subject. Like I can elect whatever module I want according to my needs, like according to my future. Like I'll see what I can go best with. And compared to India में कैसा होता है, like they've got a fixed schedule, the fixed subjects, you have to study that, get your marks, and if you even if you don't get marks, you get work. And
Right.
मुझे तो ऐसे लगता नहीं ठीक, like okay, work experience is different and your merit education is different.
Right. You're going to Florida University of Applied Sciences for International Management Program. The day you got your admission letter, right, from then till now, before you're flying, how was your communication with the university? And are you excited to move over there in terms of there are many universities, but this is where you would be studying? So how is your feeling for them?
Okay, firstly, Fulda is very friendly regarding international students. The communication from the day one, even before getting my admission letter, they were constantly sending me mails like, you're in the next procedure, you'll get your communication and letter and this on this dates.
Right.
They're like very precise with the dates and what would be the process. So, like in December, I got the first email where they told me that I am being selected for the further process. I was like, okay, now what is the further process? And then in January, like first or second week, they gave me my admission letter.
Right.
And they even mentioned how to go through the process. And if you have any, issues, they were like, you're free to, email us. I'm like, okay, like firstly मुझे लगा कि ये सब robotic AI based होगा, but no, it's not like that. The professors themselves are sitting behind the PCs and typing the emails to the students and everything. So after that, after getting the admission letter, they told us about the enrollment, the what do you say, the website where we have to log in with the student ID.
Right.
After doing everything, they're still sending the emails regarding accommodation, regarding the orientation, the induction days. Like they're very friendly, very communicative.
That's good to hear. And there is one major thing, right? So one step is getting an admission at the university, and then the next step is enrollment. Okay. So what different you felt while doing both of the processes? Although I was doing the process, but obviously you were the part of
Right.
that. So how you feel that getting enrollment and doing that process is also very tricky, and you have to be very accurate while doing that, or it's only the admission and things are sorted?
Well, the only admission thing that only happens in India, right? So Germany में it's like कि admission is the first process. उसके बाद you've got tons of process to do before you get your
Right.
enrollment. So when you get the acceptance, you accept it, then they give you the enrollment certificate. Not even certificate, they tell you to get yourself enrolled. Then after doing everything, they ask you for your documents, all the needed documents. Then after that, they check again. Then you get your enrollment certificate. That's a very wide process.
So, as you are based in Pune, Maharashtra, our office is also in Pune, but we had all the communication online and over the call, right? We are meeting for the first time before you're flying, and although after completing the whole process, right? So, how did you felt that okay, even on an online conversation, you trusted us for the whole complete process, and what was the one thing which you felt that okay, this is the people I want to go or a company I want to go for my whole German public university process?
Okay, so before contacting you, I was with another consultancy, right?
Okay.
And things didn't go well with them,
Mm-hmm.
and I was devastated, obviously. And then I kept searching and searching, and I was like, मैं इतने दूर consultancy की क्यों search करी? Because आप तो यही हो पुणे based. Like,
Right.
let's contact her, let's see what happens. And to be honest, जो मेरी first आपसे पहले जो consultant थी, she was a woman.
Hmm.
You know, बोलते हैं ना, like औरत औरत की टांग खींचती है, वो मुझे frankly I'm telling you कि मुझे लगा कि चलो अभी फंस गए. Then I spoke to you and I was like, nahi, she is different. Like, you know, you can, you know, hear the genuineness in the voice. तो आपसे बात हुई and like we were very frank. जब पहली बात हुई, like हाँ चलो ये है वो है वो है, done, straight to the point. बाकी कुछ फालतू चीज की बात की नहीं हमने. आप we were like कि आपने को एडमिशन करना है, एडमिशन करते हैं. That's
Right.
it.
Right.
That's like simplicity and you know the forwardness, straightforwardness बहुत important है मेरे लिए. And you know, instead of you know कि चलो इसको बातों में घुमाते हैं
Right.
straight to point, इसलिए तो पूरा procedure went very smoothly. And फिर I trusted you because फिर उसके बाद communication होने लगे बहुत अपने ना. Then
Right.
we did a few video calls, meetings and everything.
Right.
Then even my parents visited you.
Yes.
And obviously I can trust my parents. That's why I
Right.
trusted you.
That's great, and it's a huge compliment for us.
Oh. But yeah, that was the whole story.
So once we were doing the enrollment process, obviously we have to go with the finances also. The financial planning is also very important, that how much money is needed for the block account, how much you will carry with yourself for a survival initially. All that planning we did, right? And then we opted for education loan. So Auxilo was the loan provider. So how was their process? And because for you it was first loan you were
Right.
going through, right? So there were a lot of technical terms coming in and the process. So how much duration did they take, and how you experienced the whole journey with them?
Okay. So I got into contact with Auxilo because of you, obviously. And initially I was like, ki, they are Delhi based and I'm here in Pune, Maharashtra. So kaise hoga? Like, you know, you have to sign papers and everything. But they were pretty, you know, good with the whole procedure. They knew I'm, you know, from a different state. So after, you know, having a talk with them, after having a talk with you, and after finalizing the amount and everything, they were pretty good. They sent the whole documents to me via courier. I signed them, and during the signature procedure, they even video called me to tell me the where I have to sign and where I have to not.
Right.
That was the main thing. Because अगर एक भी साइन गलत होता, they have to
Right.
send the documents again.
Right.
पूरा procedure, it would be just delay.
Right.
They were very good at it. They were like, you know, like telling me, even they, when they send the documents, they're marked with pencil कि यहाँ signature चाहिए, यहाँ चाहिए, यहाँ चाहिए. They're precise with everything.
Very process oriented.
Very.
Okay. So means that was a very nice thing, and I guess we got the loan sanction in 7 days itself, and the whole process was done. So that was also a very good process for the students, that because we are in very tight deadline,
right.
that we have to do too many things, and when someone like a loan typically takes a lot of time, and if you get on spot, nothing best than that, right?
Even a small mistake during the whole procedure could cost us a lot.
Right.
It didn't happen, unfortunately. Yes.
Now the big question, like the whole market knows about it, finding an accommodation in Germany from India is a very big task, right? First thing is getting accommodation as per your preference, because we have a certain standard of living over here. We want that comfort at a new home. Plus, there are a lot of scammers also going on. So, is the place trustworthy or not, right? So, the person you would be able to live in is with same mindset or not, right? So, how was your process of searching this home? And how confident you are, like, okay, this is gonna be my home in Germany?
So for accommodation, I contacted you again, but also we had, you know, different tabs like Vige and Immobile. Right. So I was searching on my own as well, and depending on you, right? But one thing good about Fulda was that we contacted them regarding the accommodation, and they were very helpful with it. They were, you know, constantly sending us emails about this accommodation and that and with details,
Right.
But the thing was, okay, it's risky to,
Right.
search for an accommodation when you're here and you're going to go there.
Right.
But still, Fulda University, they send us a few contacts. We got in touch with one who's fortunately a student of Fulda as well.
Right.
And after verifying everything, we went with the contact, and she was very, understanding regarding the, the deposit or the payment and everything. So she was not pressurizing me to give the whole deposit. She was like, okay, you can go with the half one, and I can give you the keys. That's it.
Right. So very supportive German
supportive.
girl we got it, and
Yeah.
we have a good accommodation also
Right.
now. So yes, we got lucky and we did a lot of research, basically, and keeping popping the university also. So credit goes to the housing team of Fulda also, and definitely would be meeting them.
Okay, yeah, I will meet them. I personally thank them because I don't think कि किसने उनका दिमाग इतना खाया होता जितना हमने खाया. Like रोज दो तीन मेल करते रह रहे तो उनको.
As you have completed your whole process from counseling session till the time you will boarding your flight soon, would you recommend FIA overseas?
Obviously, I would, because first of all, you are someone की जो काम पूरा करता है. You do not leave your students in the middle, right? And secondly, you are a trustworthy person. I feel. क्योंकि जब प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट हुआ हमारा, like it was completely, everything was online. And still I've got my admission, I've got everything, and after the whole thing we are meeting, right? So my complete procedure was online. Still I trusted you, right? Obviously I would recommend you, because there are very few people who are very genuine with it, like who really want the betterment of the students. And you're one of them.
Thank you so much for this compliment. So on this note, we would end the session, and we wish all the very best to Tanishka for her upcoming future in Germany, and we hope she does well academically and gets a job also soon. Follow us to know more about the journeys of our students, those who are flying for summer 2025 intake. The link is in below description.